Are you tired of staring at the same old iPhone display, or just not comfortable with the normal display colors? If that is so, then the iOS Invert Colors could be a potential solution for you. Invert Colors is one of the many accessibility features embedded in modern iOS devices, including the latest iPhone 14 series. In this video, we will walk you through enabling the iOS 16 Accessibility Smart Invert and Classic Invert features to change the display colors on the iPhone 14 Pro. Before we move on, please like and share this video so that it will also reach others who need the same information. Now let's get back to our topic. To get started, launch the Settings app on your iPhone by tapping on the gear icon from the home screen or app library. In the Settings menu, scroll to find Accessibility and then tap on it to proceed. Available accessibility features and options will load up next. Find display and text size from the given options, then tap on it to proceed. Another menu opens with relevant options and features. There are two different options for inverting the colors on your iPhone's display, namely the Smart Invert and Classic Invert. Smart Invert will keep certain colors like images and videos looking normal, while Classic Invert will invert all colors on your screen. Simply tap to turn on the switch next to your preferred invert color option. Changes are immediately applied, so you will see that your iPhone's screen changes based on your current invert color selection. Using invert colors is ideal if you need to change how content is displayed on your iPhone screen. To switch back to your normal display, simply toggle off the invert colors option. To deal with some vision challenges like a difficulty reading text on the display, enabling the iOS 16 color filters can be a better option. You can access and activate this feature from the iPhone's Accessibility Settings menu. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thank you for watching.